Dear students of class 7, today we are going to start the solution of questions of exercise 1.4. The first one is 96 is divided by minus 12 and second minus 48 divided by minus 6. Similarly, the division of numbers 43,960 is divided by minus 1. So look at the solution. 96 is divided by minus 12 equals to 96 upon minus 12. We know very well plus is divided by minus equals to minus. 96 is divided by 12 is 8. Therefore we can say the answer is minus 8. Similarly, question number 3, minus 24 is divided by 8 equals to, we can write minus 24 upon 8, minus divided by plus is minus 24 divided by 8 equals to 3. That means the answer will be minus 3. And fifth, 43,960 is divided by minus 1. That means we can write 43,960 divided by minus 1. Plus divided by minus equal to minus, and 43,960 divided by 1 equals to 43,960. Similarly, you can solve the remaining question of first in your notebook. Very simple. And the question number second, fill in the blanks. 448 divided by blank equals to 448. That means on dividing by 1 equals to 448, answer will be same. 999 is divided by blank equals to minus 1. That means we need to write minus 999. Third question, blank divided by 28 equals to 2. That means we need to write 56, which is the double of 28. 384 blank divided by 384 equals to 0. That means we can write 0 is divided by any number equals to 0. Minus 200 is divided by blank equals to plus 2. That means we should write minus and divided by 100. Minus 200 is divided by minus 100 equals to 2. Similarly, minus 55 is divided by minus 1 equals to 55. 60 is divided by blank equals to minus 3. That means we should write minus and 20. Plus 60 is divided by minus 20 equals to minus 3. Blank divided by 7 equals to minus 7. That means we should write 7 times of given number. Minus 49 is divided by 7 equals to minus 7. In the question number 3, write true, T or false, F for the following statements. 0 is divided by any number is 0. It is true. Any number is divided by 0 is not defined. That means it is false. Minus divided by minus equals to plus. 18 divided by 6 equals to 3. It is true. Now, in the question number 4, 81 is divided by minus 9, which is divided by minus 27 divided by 3. I can explain the question number first or fourth. You can solve the second in your notebook. In this question, we can write first or fourth. 81 is divided by minus 9, which is divided by minus 27, which is also divided by 3. Now in this situation we have to solve the integers in brackets. 81 upon minus 9, which is divided by minus 23 upon 3. Now we can convert it into multiplication by doing reciprocal of minus 27 upon 3. Reciprocal, that means numerator can convert in denominator. Now the multiplication of given number, minus multi minus, which is plus, that means minus minus cancel. 3 is divided by 9 is divided by 3 equals to 3. 81 can cut by the table of 9 and 27 also. 9 9 ja 81, 9 3 ja 27. That means 3 multi 3 equals to 9. It will be equals to 1. Therefore we can say the answer is 1. Very simple. In the question number 5, find 3 pairs of integers a, b such that a is divided by minus 2. For example, minus 18 is divided by 9 equals to minus 2. Then we can say minus 10 is divided by 5 is also equals to minus 2. Minus 8 is divided by 4 equals to minus 2. And minus 12 is divided by 6 equals to minus 2. Minus 2 is divided by 1 equals to minus 2. Similarly, the question number 6 you can solve in the homework. Question number 7, read it carefully. An elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 7 meters per minute. If the descent starts from 15 meters above the ground, how long will it take to reach 475 meters? That means we need to find the total distance, total depth or height to descend for elevator. In this question we can write the rate is 7 meters per minute. Rate, that means which rate descending into mine shaft, and starting from 15 meters above. Let this is ground. Descents start from this point, which is 15 meters above from the ground, and we should reach to 475 meters above. Now the total distance is total depth equals to 15 plus 475. That means it is equals to 490 meter. Now we can write, because elevator descends in 1 minute equals to 7 meter. Very simple. 1 minute in 7 meter. Elevator takes time 1 minute to descend 7 meter, and we need to find the time taken by elevator to descend the depth of 490 meter. Then we can write, because elevator takes time to descend 7 meter equals to 1 minute. Then elevator should take time to descend a distance of 490 meter is 1 multi 490 minutes divided by 7. Now it is equals to 490 upon 7 minutes by dividing 70 minutes. 70 minutes, that means we can write 60 minutes plus 10 minutes. 60 minutes equals to 1 hour and 10 minutes. That means elevator should take 1 hour and 10 minutes to descend from 15 meter above the ground to reach 475 meter. Okay, dear students, remaining 3 questions you need to try to solve in your notebook with the help of examples. If you have any problem, then ask to me. We'll discuss the remaining questions in the next videos. Thanks for watching.